Angel number 646. Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 646. The number 646 is made up of the energies and vibrations of the number 6 and the number 4. The number 6 appears twice, which makes its effects stronger. The number 6 brings stability and grace, the ability to get what you want, to heal, to love home and family, to protect, care for, and nurture, to find solutions and solve problems, to be reliable and responsible, and to have honesty and integrity. Number 6 is also about grace, being thankful, and the things in life. The number 4 is connected to honesty and integrity, being practical, working steadily toward goals and dreams, system and order, self-initiative, building strong foundations, and having a lot of energy and determination. The power of the archangels is also linked to the number 4. Angel number 646 means love, being taken care of, and working hard to set and reach solid goals for you and your family. It's about working hard to get what you want and getting it. Angel number 646 could mean that you're paying too much attention to the material things in your life. Your angels want you to let go of your worries about money so that they can be healed and taken care of. Keep a good attitude and look on the bright side to bring wealth and abundance into your life. If you keep your expectations high and work hard to reach your goals, you can be sure that all of your needs will be met and that you will be successful. Angel number 646 means that everything is going well with your home and family. Enjoy your relationships and the company of the people you care about, and love them freely and without conditions. Trust that your positive affirmations, visualizations, and other ways to bring good things into your life are working. Expect answers and solutions to show up as if by magic when you need them. Take the time to care for yourself and the people you love, and be thankful for all the good things in your life. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.